Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to pause search history on YouTube. Log into your Google account. Go to myactivity.google.com. Click on YouTube History. Currently, YouTube History is turned on. That means both search and watch history is turned on. Under subsetting, uncheck the box next to include your searches on YouTube. Now click on pause. Setting is turned off. Click OK to close the dialog box. That's it. Search history is turned off. This is how you can pause search history on YouTube. Thank you for watching.